everyone, my BoxyCharm for the month of February got here, so let's take a look. So the first item I pull out is from Ciate, London. It's Everyday Vacay. It's coconut setting powder. And I've never tried any of their setting powders, so excited to try this out. So the next item I pull out is from Pure. This is a 4-in-1 correcting primer. You can wear this alone or under makeup, and it's silicone free. So the next item is from First Aid Beauty, and this is Facial Radiant Pads. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I've never tried these before, so I'm excited to try these out. Next up are some brushes from Ahmar. This is a complexion trio brush set. We have a bronzer brush, a brightening brush, and a complexion brush. They're actually really soft, and I like the way they package them. So the last item is from Iconic London. This is a Day to Slay eyeshadow palette, and it's really big. I love that it has a mirror, and I do love the colors. So I'm excited to try this palette out. So here's everything I received in this month's box. I really do like everything. Let me know if you guys received similar products. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.